In today's module, we are going to learn about the unification of different national economies. National economy is referred to the sum of the economic activity undertaken by a nation, households, and firms in the product and resource market in a year. Small and medium industries of any country serve as the foundations of national economy. National economies influence the constantly expanding global economy. The developing world, especially, trying to integrate the national economy in a way that it could make a global impact, because this is how the national economies flourish and make a difference in the national GDP. Short term benefits of this unification of different national economies: more national profit, that I earlier mentioned in my previous slide; higher income per capita, obviously, when they are struggling and they are working hard to um, increase the national income, they definitely increase the per capita income. More job opportunities, more industries, more jobs, increase in exports. Obviously, when you are producing more raw material and transforming it into finished good, then definitely there would be increase in exports, because all those products, consumer products, would become in surplus. So best economy is that export its surplus and import its luxuries, its needs instead of luxuries. More goods and services, high standards of living. Unfortunately, if we see in the perspective of Pakistan, we usually import our luxuries instead of needs, and export our needs instead of surplus. This is how our economy is really in a bad shape. So, just to unify our national economy, it is necessary that we have to focus on on the basic economic rules, that is regarding exporting surplus and importing needs only. Globalization creates notable change on the national economic environment. Economic development policies are influenced. The economy of the United States is the influx of different global economies. Many international corporations are coming to the United States, which will resultantly increase the performance and productivity, and they are learning new skills. Especially in the 21st century, we saw that how regionalism was really uh, having a headway for showing it that how regional economies can flourish when they got unified. Global economy. World economies are interconnected and they are interdependent. Previously, we learnt about it, that how they are interconnected and interdependent through the tools of globalization, which are popularly known as multinational corporations, international financial institutions comprised of International Monetary Fund, World Bank, and then World Trade Organizations, marketing, and advertisement. These are the basic tools of globalization by which global economies are integrated and they are interdependent. Economic activities are mutually carried out between different countries. International exchange of goods and services, specialization of products depending on the comparative advantage. For example, if Pakistan is best in producing leather, then it has to sell its leather in all other countries. And if another cotton like is more better from Bangladesh, तो बांग्लादेश को चाहिए कि वो बाकी दुनिया के हिस्सों को कॉटन जो है वो दे. इस तरह हर मुल्क जिस जिस कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट में या एग्री प्रोडक्ट में बेस्ट है, वो बाकी मुल्कों को वो चीज़ फराहम करे. इस कंपैरेटिव एडवांटेज की थेरी से देन एवरी कंट्री कैन फ्लरिश इक्वली. Unification of global economies has negative income. The effects for certain people and regions. Inequality in income distribution, exploitation of workers, low wages due to international recruitment, job insecurity. In fact, business elite always try to maximize his profit and always try to find out the cheap labor. This is how they usually import the skillful social capital from other countries and concentrate all that labor in the country where there is more, uh, I mean, industrialization was going on, like industrialized world, all the developed part of the world. They stop the unskillful social capital, but always try to import the skillful social capital for maximizing their profit.